Welcome to the 2022 PRI show in Indianapolis. Sure, it's going to be a good show. Let's go see what we can find. Maybe we can find some new stuff. Nice setup from Tig and titanium. Showing off all their stuff. All the pie cuts.
And then started. Alright, bye.
And they got all their purge cups, plugs, everything. Nice setup for Welding titanium. Nice, even got some nice copper chill blocks. So Ryan Martin's Season 5 car from No Prep Kings, Pro Charge. And these Pro Charger engines are huge with the Pro Charger on the front. It's a nice setup in the Magnuson booth. So farm truck, they got the farm boat now. And farm truck and Asian here.
So same way out.
Quick picture together?
Of course, yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So I like the farm truck. It's cool.
Thank you very much. Did you see it over there?
The farm truck's definitely a sleeper. It's not what you think it is. It's a beautiful carbon fiber new F40. It's a nice setup. There's one we got. Looks like our Miller 220 over there. It's a real nice truck from Turbo Smarts. Nice titanium setup. Roller honing machine. So how much you taking out of there? 3/10. I imagine those boards are gonna be quite large by the end of the show. It's a really nice intake here. It's got a hot to cold setup. So it's actually got a manifold here that'll cool all the air coming through. Very nice molded manifold. We even got to meet Top Fuel driver Clay Milliken. Roller 5-axis, cutting cylinder heads also. I haven't seen an Opal in a long time. So they can really reach down in there with that 5-axis and get all the little nooks and crannies. Even the Trick Tools booth out here is ones we worked with for our cold saw for that fine is a brand metal cutting blade. Drag sand truck, almost like a funny car setup. All right, it's a lot of cool stuff here. So we just talked to Farm Truck. We got to meet him, Asian. A lot of pretty much everything you want here at the PRI show. Drag, dirt, motorcycles. It's all about speed and power, right? Even that huge truck we just seen for sand drags. So let's keep seeing the show. Here's a really nice old Bronco. Got this set up with the long arm setup, coilovers, 5-liter. Nice manifold up here from Metalbrock. It gives you a breakdown of the runner setup. This is a nice old Civic LS or LT.
Oh yeah. I don't think.
There's beautiful old Nova here. Got set up here, twin turbocharged. It's a little bit of everything here. Bikes, cars, trucks, dragsters.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
I literally
And over here at the Trend Performance booth, they've got this billet 2JZ, all billet block. They have all the equipment out here, just about everything you would need out here. And then here at the Champion Lubricants booth, they've got this full cutaway. Everything on this thing is cut away. They kind of show you what's in there and how it works. And maybe later we'll get a picture of Courtney Hanson with her. Check out this old vet. He's dumping a ton of boost. Vibrant's got this beautiful Mustang here. All Pro charges. That's a beautiful setup right there. No lack of pie cuts. It's a beautiful old Challenger. All set up with a Pro charger. Nice looking headers. Okay, over here in the Race Tech booth, got this really nice Pro line set up. Those Pro lines, everything were pretty cool setups, even the dragsters. Even the fab work, there's a lot to see and do here. So let's keep looking. And then the old reliable Sun and Hone. Hung off enough of those in my life. All the way to the newer machines for block honing. I love that old square body Nova. Probably not much left of the original. Alright, now for all of us Jeep guys here, the RCV is right up your alley. That's a big axle for a 60. And you see here RCV is making ball joints now, and hopefully they'll have one coming out for the JL soon. Not many options. Odom Racing from the No Prep Kings. Nice GTR. G ready, I assume that's get ready. But up here, little Civic. There's a whole lot of engine for a little bit of vehicle. All caged out. I bet it could be fun, but I bet it'd be scary at times. And Motor Trend shooting a thing out here as well. Nice setup for Moduline aluminum cabinets here, like big toolboxes. It's quite the setup. Got this vet sitting over here next to this old Nova.
All right, Mark. Pleasure. Pleasure, Mark.
This beautiful old Z28 with A-Tech Motorsports. You don't see many of these old gassers left anymore.
These racers and race teams, so you'll see the Right Trailers media. We appreciate
Tony Petragon here at the NHRA booth.
Stay tuned, we got a few more coming at you before the...
Brittany was the, as we all know, Brittany was the NHRA winner this year for Top Fuel. Alright, so that's a 2022 PRI show in Indy. A lot to see and do, a lot of cool stuff here. So hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in this next video for more fabrication.